In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to update iPhone to its latest version for new features. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Software Update. Your iPhone will now check for available updates. If iOS 26.5.1 is available for your device, you will see the update details appear on your screen. Before updating, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has enough battery life, or keep it connected to a charger during the process. Next, tap on Update Now or download and install depending on what appears on your screen. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode and agree to Apple's terms and conditions. The update will begin downloading, and once it's finished, your iPhone will automatically restart to install the latest software. This process may take several minutes, so be patient and avoid turning off your device during the installation. The latest iOS 26.5.1 update brings several useful improvements, including enhanced RCS messaging with end-to-end encryption support, new bright luminance wallpapers, smarter suggested places, recommendations, and Apple Maps, along with important security fixes and system improvements. Once the installation is complete, your iPhone will boot up with the latest version and you'll be ready to explore all the new features and enhancements. And that's it. This way you can easily update your iPhone to its latest version. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.